Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the error message "cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified" on macOS. This error typically occurs on macOS when Gatekeeper, Apple's security feature, blocks an app from a so-called unidentified developer. This is common with apps downloaded from the internet outside the App Store, but don't worry, I'll show you how to get rid of this and launch your application. All you have to do is to allow the app opening via security and privacy settings. This is the safest and the most straightforward way to bypass this stupid warning. Step number 1. Attempt to open the app first. Double-click on the app in Finder. You'll see the error pop up. Cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Click Cancel. Do not move it to trash. Do not click Move to trash. Step number 2. Open System Preferences. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences. In System Preferences, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down. At the bottom, you'll see a message like "App was blocked from opening because it is not from an identified developer." Click the Allow Anyway button next to the app's name. If you don't see this message, try opening the app again to trigger it. Now you can open your app. Double-click on the app again. A new pop-up will appear. macOS cannot verify the developer of app name. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open to launch the app. Congratulations, you got rid of this error message. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Peace.